Hello everyone. This new tutorial is all about how do you choose which particular components that you need. So basically, in our previous training videos, I've shown you that you need the canvas as a good practice, and inside the canvas you can put section here, this blue one, and inside the section there are a list of components that you could put in. So this is a fairly short tutorial, so I'm gonna just show you which the proper way of uh, choosing the right component. This is not an end all and be all type of uh, steps, which all you have to do is just practice on your own, and you will learn by practice as you go along. So here's the components that I put in. It's a combination of the White House Pro again, post pin, the iPlug 6, and yeah, the basic DMS. Did I mention White House Pro? It's there. So if you want to modify the menu, you all you have to do is to pick up navigation here, or you can have a better, if you want a new stylish menu, you can explore picking up something like this, and then click publish, restart, and it'll show you the options. This is very handy because normally clients need their own custom uh, um, they want their own custom layout. So this is just a very easy thing. Navigation, you can just put in here. There's no canvas here, so that's how it actually looks bad. So I might move it on the top. I get to here. It's only a variation, so how this one would look like. I think the reason why, because this is a full navigation. I think uh, you cannot drop it anywhere. So yeah, it would appear on the top up the header portion. Try to refresh. It would show up the menu that you've chosen. Yeah, here. So a little bit awkward. There's a title here. You can customize. Just clicking edit, and there's option here. Just play around with the background and everything, and put CSS applicable to this layout here. If you want this kind of a menu format, just like post similar to the Pinterest, if you're familiar with that social networking that caters people who likes to share photos, you can just make this one as a look like a Pinterest look-alike website. You can take out this one at the top. Okay, so that's the navigation. You can also, if you want this, the top portion here that serve as the header, there are actually two areas that you can populate with components. There is there's something here. Okay, there's also header. There's a header. This is the header, and there's a fixed region at the top. So there's a fixed region here. I don't normally play with a fixed region because if you want to do a lot of manipulations on the layout on that top part, you'd have to do a lot of CSS manipulation. So if you want just a fixed region at the top, you don't have to change the height. So I need to choose this one. Okay, there's another one. If you want a text box on your text on your computer, in your body, you can just check a text box here. It's self-explanatory. You just drag it at the top, so you have a new text box there. You can put exactly HTML formatted H4, or you can just plain text, or you can modify the alignment, the font size, and everything strong. Yeah, that's the function of the text box. And there's another here, iBox. you can use this one as a list of services. It's separated by at least 3 by default, but you can increase it. You can increase it more. You can. This is 4. The reason why this is 4 out of 12 is divided by 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can approximate the exact column length of the 3 items. You can subdivide this to more if you add another iBox here, and you can put at the bottom a link. Or if you want a much better rendering, you can probably use this one as well. The post thumb, there's a post thumb here, which a little bit. I can just show you how the post thumb would look like if from the other screen that I have. I think accountant demo. I have a demo site here. I just want to show you that rather than messing up and spending a lot of time. Oh yeah, this is how it looks like. You can compare the iBox here with this is the pop thumbs. It looks a little bit cooler. Same thing, same 3 components. You can increase it if you want. So that's the thing. For images and YouTube, you can choose media box. It's here, media box. So you can put in they probably need this one to upgrade in the next DMS version, because it would be better if instead of just embedded HTML, you can just put in YouTube as well, or Vimeo. You don't have to worry about the HTML code. And here's another trick. I put in PL box Nextbox here. You have this component as part of your package that you receive from me. But if you are planning to offer a web service, web design services to local business, make sure that you have separate license for the one. But if you want the like the one I have right now is a club membership license, so I have all of these components available. The good thing about this, you don't have to worry about, for example, this is the Google Map shortcode. So you can find all the shortcode here. You can just search for DMS Line, DMS document station. Yeah, it's here. And you can just click for the shortcode, search for the shortcode. Where it is? Yeah, this is so this is very, very useful. You don't have to type in a lot of text on the screen. Just put in plenty of information here. Just visit the site docs.speechline.com tutorial shortcode. So you have everything here covered. And that is the format of the address. I normally, as a standard practice, I normally use PL Nextbox, because the reason this box is almost similar as the text, but the advantage of this one, it has a better processing in my experience. Inside of it, you can pass almost everything: PHP code, JavaScript code, HTML, anything that you can put in here, or maybe custom forms, a lot of things that you can put in the Nextbox. So this is a very powerful component. So I would recommend that if you use shortcode, you would use the Nextbox. Also contact forms, just paste the contact here, and you got this screen here. Yeah, I think that's all you need for a basic website. You can, as I told in the previous tutorial, you can just play around with many of these components. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next video.